Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the LaRoc Pro Chocolate Box Eyeshadow Palette. So it is this one just here. I've had this for a little while, well, a few weeks. It's not new, it's been out quite a while, but I have been eyeing it up, this one and the other one they do, the bakery box I think it is. But I went for this one in the end. So I figured I'd review it today. So the palette itself looks like this, really, really nice. I think this is absolutely stunning. I love the colours in here, really kind of warm tones, neutral warm tones. And yeah, I think it's really, really pretty. And we've also got two highlighters in the middle there as well. I have got a face palette of LaRoc, and I have used that a few times in the past, and it's actually really, really nice, but it hasn't got these shades in. And I have already put highlighter on today, but yeah, I'll just have to put more on, won't I? So I will give these colours a quick swatch for you now. So this will be the left side of the palette. So we have white chocolate, delicious, truffle, divine, toasted, salted caramel, crunch, espresso, praline, gooey, sweetie and champagne truffle. And then this is the right side, and on this one we have raspberry ganache, that's a stunning colour, signature, fudge, strawberries and cream, honey nuts, peanut brittle, that is beautiful, that's a really nice duochrome, vanilla spice, melted, creamy, chocolate drop, orange crisp and choc chip. And then I just swatched these two as well. So these are the highlighters from the centre. How beautiful are these? So on these we have bittersweet here, and then this bottom one is toasted coconut, which has actually got a slight pink undertone to it. So it's really, really nice. Yeah, they actually seem really quite nice. Lovely colours. The shimmers are beautiful, really buttery. So yeah, let's get trying it out. Right, so the first colour I'm going to go in with, and I'm just going to place that kind of in to set my crease and over my lid, with the shade Salted Caramel, which was this one just here. Okay, yeah, that went on really, really nice. And then in my crease, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to take the shade Truffle, which was this kind of ruddy toned brown at the top, just here. That's a really, really nice shade. Really nice. Such a warm brown. That is gorgeous. Blends really nicely as well. I think that blend is beautiful. Yeah, and effortless. Didn't take any effort whatsoever. So then I'm going to go on to the outer part here and also the inner part here, using the shade Raspberry Ganache, which is that one here. So it's kind of like a, well, yeah, like a raspberry shade really, but I'd say it's a little bit more plummy actually. That is stunning. Really, really nice. I'm loving how easy these are to blend. They're just literally merging into each other without any effort whatsoever. Really, really nice. So then on the centre where I've left this gap here and just a little bit higher as well, I'm going to take the shade Crunch, which was this one just here. That's really nice. Really, really pretty. Yeah, that is stunning. Really, really nice. What I think I'm going to do is right down the centre of that as well. I'm going to dip into Champagne Truffle, which was the one at the bottom here. I'm just going to apply that almost right in the centre of where I've just put that Crunch shade. Yeah, pretty. I'm just going to use my finger just to pat it in. That is stunning. Really, really beautiful shade. So next I'm going on my under eyes, and what I'm going to do is on the outer part here, I'm going to take the same Raspberry Ganache shade that I used on a majority of the lid, which was that one just there. And then I'm going to blend it in to the inner using Truffle, which was the kind of reddy brown shade. Okay, and then inner corners and brow bone. I think I'm actually going to use this colour, the highlighter Toasted Coconut, on my inner corners. Ooh, that's nice. And then Bittersweet, which was the kind of champagne-y one just above. I'm going to use that on my brow bone. Right, okay. Yeah, really happy with that. Right, I'm going to go away and pop some mascara on and, and lippy, and then I'll be back. So here is the finished look, and I absolutely love it. I think this palette is so good. I don't know why I waited so long to buy it, because I was eyeing it up. I think it was Instagram to begin with, and I thought, oh, that looks really nice. But at the time, I hadn't really heard much about the brand. And I kept putting it off and putting it off, and then I just bit the bullet and bought it, and I'm so glad I did. I think I paid about £20 for it, actually £18.99, because there was a discount code on. I'll see if they've still got the discount code, and obviously if they have, then brilliant, you can get it for cheaper. But I think this is such a nice palette, it really is, and it's a lovely everyday palette. It's a good glam palette. Yeah, really nice. Oh, and I put the highlighter on as well. I completely forgot to do it on camera, but yeah, it's really nice. There's no cast on it at all. I did the one with the pinky undertone, Toasted Coconut. This one just here, I popped just a little bit, I put on, but yeah, it's really nice. So here's a close-up of the eyes for you. I think this is so pretty. I really, really like it. I love warm tones anyway. This shimmer down the centre is stunning. Really, really nice, and it went on beautifully as well with the brush. Yeah, I really like this look. I think it's really nice. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.